So this is question number 1 of exercise 14b. The page number is 404 and it is the D2 7th edition, and the topic is sets, and the question is, I have been given with a universal set. I told you that the representation of universal set can be different, and this is my universal set, and the universal set is all the natural numbers up to 20: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. And I have a set A that has the multiples of 2, and I have a set B that has the multiples of 4, set C that has multiples of 3. And what I have to do, I have to list the elements of the following. I have 6 parts. In the first part, I have to write the elements of set A. I have to list the elements of set A, and my set A is the multiples of 2. I know that the multiples of 2 are endless, and I cannot write all the multiples. I will just focus on the universal set. Since the universal set is of only 20, so I will just write the multiples of 2 up till 20. So since I know the table of 2, I will just have to write the multiples of 2, and since it is a set, so it will be in curly brackets and the members will be separated by a comma. So set A, since it is the multiple of 2 and I have to write it up to 20, so it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. In part B, I have to list the elements of set B, and my set B has all the members that are multiples of 4 and obviously up to 20. So I will just write all the multiples of 4 until 20, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Part number C, I have to list the elements of set C. Set C is a multiple of 3, so I will just write all the elements, all the multiples of 3 until 20. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18 will be my answer. Part number D is asking me to find A complement, and I know that A complement, in order to find the A complement, I can use the formula U minus A, and that is a very simple formula. I just have to write all the elements of universal first, and since this is a difference of two sets, so I will make sure the sequence, since U is first, so I will write the elements of U first, and that are 1 to 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 17, 18, 19, 20, and then I will put a minus sign, and then the members of set A, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. And since I have to find the difference, means I have to find the members that are in U, not in A. So what will I do? I will just cancel out the common elements. 2 is here, 2 is also here, so I will cancel out 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. These are the common elements, so I will just subtract them, and then I will only just look at the first bracket. What are the remaining in the first bracket only? So the remaining are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. So these are the remaining members which are left in the first bracket. And I told you in my previous video of difference that we just have to focus on the first bracket only. We do not include the members of the second, and in this case there is no member left, and you don't have to include the members of the second member. You just have to focus on the first bracket. So the answer of A complement is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. And you know that if I want to describe this in words, I can say that the members of universal that are not in A is the answer of A complement. So moving on to the next part is part E, that is B complement, and if you want to describe it, B complement means the members of universal that are not in that are in B, that are not in B. So how will I find out? I will just do all my calculation again. Here I haven't done all the calculation, I have just written the answer. You can apply the whole calculation just as the way I did. I have to find those members that are in U but not in B. So what will I do? I will just write all the elements of universal like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 20. Then the element of B, that are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And then I will cancel out the common elements, and what will be the remaining? I will just look in the first bracket. The first will be 1, 2, 3. Since 4 is here, so 4 will be cancelled out. So 1, 2, 3. 4 will not be here. 5, 6, 7. 8 will not be here, 9, 10, 11, 12 will not be here, 13, 14, 15, 16 will not be here, 17, 18, 19. So this will be the answer of my B complement. I have to find B complement means I have to find U minus B, and it means members that are in U not in B. So who are the members that are in U not in B? So these are the members that are in universal not in B. I will just cancel out all these elements and I will find my answer. The third part is C complement. C complement, again you have to write all the universal set like this, and then you have to see who are in C, and then you have to cancel out. Since 3 is here in C, so 3 will not be here, so 1, 2, 3 will not be here, 4, 5, 6 will not be here, 7, 8, 9 will not be here, 10, 11, 12 will not be here, 13, 14, 15 will not be here, 16, 17, and then 19, 20. So this was the answer of C complement. C complement means U minus C. U minus C means I have to find those elements that are in universal set but not in C. B complement means U minus B. It means I have to find those elements that are in universal but not in B. A complement means U minus A. This means I have to find those elements that are in universal but not in A. So this was a solved question on sets from your book D2. I hope you have understood these questions. If you want to practice, you have some more questions that are very much similar to this type. So you can watch this video and you can understand the methodology, and after understanding this concept you can practice all these questions. I hope this whole exercise is related to complements and difference, and you can find a lot of stuff on the internet as well if you want to search it. So I hope I will be solving some more questions of 14B inshallah in the later videos. So I think up till now these are the two things which I have to tell you about, the difference and the complement. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you are still unsure, if you are still unclear, you can comment it in the comment section and we can discuss it further.